Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi. Unboxing Anker USB C Hub 5-in-1 with 4K HDMI. This is a 5-in-1 USB-C hub. It can give you comprehensive connectivity featuring a power delivery input, two USB 2.0 ports, a USB 3.0 port, and an HDMI port. Note: the USB-C power delivery input port is only for connecting an external wall charger to power your laptop and cannot power peripheral devices. You can have 90 watts pass-through charging, so you can achieve optimal charging with 90 W pass-through power to your laptop, supported by a total input of 100 W, with the hub reserving 10 W for operational efficiency. Note: wall charger not included. Capable of delivering quick data transfers. Accelerate your productivity with rapid data transfers using a high-speed 5 Gbps USB 3.0 port and two 480 megabits per second USB 2.0 ports. There is a 4K HDMI display hub, so you can enhance your visual experience with a hub capable of delivering 4K resolution at 30 Hz in both mirror and extend modes. So here is what you get with Anker USB C Hub 5-in-1, 4K HDMI, a welcome guide, 18-month warranty, and friendly customer service if needed. This product does not fail to impress. It's functional with good range of ports which are easy to fit. The speed of data transfer doesn't seem any slower than being directly plugged in, but obviously provides multiple adapters for you to facilitate different devices. Would recommend as it's easy to carry, easy to use, and looks good on the desk. I hope you enjoy this video. Have a great day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.